Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing great and become I know you are health conscious, your life conscious. Look guys, in the last 3 or 4 years you can easily see that there are a lot of disturbance. I really can't describe how disturbance. I'm telling you that's why the crime is are increasing. Yes, because half of the people are thinking just now world is gonna end. Then just mm, make a stall, make a. But look, guys, I'm telling you a very seriously thing with a serious note. It's just a conspiracy which powerful men are doing. Okay, it's not a new thing. I am seeing this thing now. LPG crisis because it's too much. Now it's become a very hard to handle. It's very too much hard to handle that you can easily see that people are in a line and LPG crisis over and over, and I'm just praying that this not will become. Look, guys, only men who gonna live who will fight. This is the rule of life. There is no rule of life, only one rule of life. If you want to live, you have to fight till your last breath. This is the exactly meaning of a man. This is the exactly meaning of a man. If you really want to live, you have to fight. Otherwise no have option. And fight is not about, but look, fight is not about I'm promoting violence. No, I'm not promoting violence. I'm not promoting any kind of violence thing. Seriously, I'm not promoting. Fights about your right, your fundamental issue, your basic your basic civil rule. The constitution are providing you have to fight for them. Okay, so yes, here we are some sentence and there's some meaning. Look, now I'm just making a sentence, but you have to deliver in a paragraph, in an essay. Okay, so pale mail, it's about hurry up. Look, I'm just waiting for my call. Yes, everyone are waiting for their call, and you just should. You have to look, guys. You have to hard work. You have to hard work. There is a no second option of life. There is a no second rule of life. You have to hard work. You really have no option. Okay, you have to hard work in any situation. Otherwise, you really don't won't survive. So pale mail, government, petticoat government. Yes, it's about women pressure. There are. Look, there can be some situation where you can easily see that women are pressurizing you. Women are pressure to alimony maintenance. Look, guys, in a previous 6 or 7 years I am hearing this kind of news, this kind of rumor, and now seriously it's becoming very sad. It's becoming very disturbing. It's become truly disturbing. The kind of news I am heard. Seriously, it's disgusting. It's seriously disgusting that we are discussing about it, because truly no one shouldn't do it. The alimony case, the fraud case. All the women who are doing this kind of thing, they are harmed from themselves. I'm truly, because that karma is a bitch. You know what is karma? What is karma? Karma is a cycle. Karma is a bitch. Karma is a process. The karma is like a magnet. You know what magnet? One magnet attract to other magnet. That's why when you doing something bad intention, doing something very bad intention, that will attach you. Okay? This is the law of affection. This is the law of karma. So whatever you are do in your life, if you are doing bad intention, it will really harm you. I mean, someday you have to pay it with a 10x. Someday you really have to pay it with a 10x. So just, I mean, so you really want to stuck in that loop, this mental illusion. Okay? Pick holes in. Yes, it's about you are always just pick holes in others. I mean, you never look, guys. Always just watch first yourself. I mean, I'm saying this. First, watch yourself and then watch others. First, watch your mistake, then watch others. Okay? If you always gonna just finger out and just point out that he is doing good, he is doing bad, he is a good, he is a bad. If you always gonna judge other people, I really don't think so you're gonna survive anymore. Truly, I'm saying that you will not survive anymore. So you always just watch yourself. Okay, first always watch yourself, then just pick holes others. Pinprick. Yes, it's about the war. I'm truly hoping and praying that this war is in us destroy in some days. I mean, now LPG crisis over the resources. I mean, now it's becoming very disturbing and day by day it's become very poisoning. I mean, it's really hard. I really can't describe it. I really can't describe it where the world are going on. I mean, the Donald Trump, Netanyahu, where they are going. Where they are going and what they really want to do. I really can't describe it. So yes, just please like, share and subscribe my channel. And also it's a big issue now because I know there are a lot of channel who now, but I really don't think so that any kind of problem my channel will gonna give. Okay, all the content creation, listen to watch very carefully that you really don't have to do things like that. You don't have to make content like this which can provide a wrong information. I'm telling you, please don't do it and make this kind of channel that providing a wrong information to the others because it will disturb you. Okay, so yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and tell me in comment box because every day I ask you. Okay, so yes, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.